Are you still waiting for 100% free coupon from Microsoft Fabric and you haven't received any confirmation email yet? If so, this video is for you. The Microsoft Data Days Challenge has already been closed. I followed all these required steps to get my Fabric DP-700 examination voucher for 100% free. And I have received that coupon from Microsoft Fabric and I attempted the exam and received my certificate. I thought of sharing this with you. This really helps you to get the 100% free coupon from Microsoft Fabric. Data engineers who watched my earlier video, I already shared details on how to enroll in the Microsoft Fabric Data Days challenges, how to participate and how to complete the challenge and how to submit the form. If you have completed all these steps, then this video will be useful for you. If you are still waiting for Microsoft coupon, there are few additional steps you need to complete to receive your 100% free Microsoft Fabric certification coupon. What you can do, just log into your Microsoft Fabric community and look for your messages. If you don't see any messages here, what you can do, simply send an email to Microsoft Fabric support along with your Fabric user ID. Here you can find the user ID. And your profile, if you click on your profile, you'll have the username. Okay, just copy your username, the Fabric username. You need this one. Okay, what you can do, send an email to Microsoft Fabric support along with your Fabric user ID. What you can do is, I can show you how to send out an email to Microsoft Fabric to get the coupon voucher for free. This is how I did from my end, to receive my Fabric voucher. Just look at here, DP-700 exam voucher, it's a subject, and this is the email ID, fabricreadymicrosoft.com. I will leave this one in my video description also. You can copy it from there. And very simple, just 3 steps, right? I didn't receive my DP-700 voucher. I submitted the form in November. Kindly help me with this. Okay, the Fabric username is this and reference, the submitted form reference. You have to share this one with them, along with them. Because if you didn't share, they will not find it whether really you submitted or not. Okay. But if you are eligible, you will receive an email and you can take the exam on or before 15th of January. So make sure that all the requirements and prerequisites were completed using the same login so that they can easily verify your eligibility. If you are eligible, you will receive an email and you can take the exam on or before 15th of January. What are you waiting for? Check now your messages and send out an email right away to get your 100% free coupon. I hope this video is helpful for you. Those who are waiting for responses from Microsoft Fabric, please share this video with them and help them to get the free coupon to complete their Fabric certifications. If you found this helpful, please like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.